And I'm Florida with our special guest, Joby. Again. And we are the F Sisters! So for today's vlog, we are going to do the Tapaking Mukbang plus Song Association Challenge. Syempre with a twist.
Yung Song Association Challenge is nakuha namin siya sa Bex Battalion. Since yung sa kanila is water yung ginamit nila as punishment, kami naman lipsticks. So yung tita namin, magbibigay siya ng word. Ngayon magpapaunahan kami, magtaas ng kamay kung sinong nauna siya.
Kailangan yung kanta is mag-upisa doon sa word na binigay niya. So, for example, nauna ako, pero hindi ko nakanta, lalagyan nila akong tatlo ng lipstick. Pero pag nakasagot ako, nakakanta ako, silang tatlo lalagyan ko ng lipstick. Ganun yung mechanics.
So ngayon, meron kaming in order sa Tapaking, meron mga Tapa Flakes, Tapa Kare-Kare, Tapa Labok, Kangkong, Tapa Canton, Pinakbet, Bistek, Bulalo, Kanin, Chicken, Bangus, tsaka Bagoong. We also have Tapa Queen, Tapa Prince. Our Tapaking Mukbang is sponsored by Ninang Miriam! Thank you, Ninang! Ang mukbang na naman! Sulit na sulit! So, let's start!
First word. Tita.
First one.
Oh, your first word. Strong. Strong.
Ano?
Five of breaking my heart, you ended my life and make a better one start.
Mali. Tama, mali.
You make me
Stronger daw eh. Strong lang eh.
strong by breaking.
Next!
Selfish.
Ang hirap naman nun.
Selfish.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Okay.
Third word.
Happy.
Ay! Happy! Shalala! It's so nice!
Dami. Fourth word. Feel.
Feel so free, it's like a fantasy. Holding you next to me.
Oh, bilis eh. Pag madali.
Suddenly it's magic.
Fifth word. Stand.
Ikaw na lang sumagot lahat.
Ah, hindi ma-storbo yung iba. Ikaw na nga.
Stand up. Right.
Ay!
Stand up.
Buhin mo!
Stand up for life. Stand
Ay,
up.
mali!
Your job.
Mali! Oh, mali! Mali! Hindi nga nagaya yung kulot ni Bianca.
Mali nga.
Mali na. For life!
Sixth word. Pretty.
Hey! Pretty woman. Ta-da-da-da.
Ano? Ano siya?
Still! Still! Walang still!
Seventh.
Okay.
Always. Si
Ang bilis mo naman!
Always forever near, closer together every
Ganyan.
day. I will be with you everything.
Yes.
I will do for you, say you love me like me.
Eight. Please.
Please release me, tell me, tell me.
Na!
Number 9. Fight. Si
Fight
Jovi.
song, take back my life na!
Don't talk when you're about to fight.
I'm never turned down!
Ninth word. Smile. Oh.
Big
Hey.
smile, smile.
Oh, hindi ka lang start na make the smile. Sabi mo, make you smile. Shine yung
Next word. You.
Eh!
Ninth you. Eh, si Faye nga.
You make me shine.
Yun yung tama!
Yun!
Just the stars in the
Mali!
sky.
Smile, smile yun! Mali!
Next word. Baby!
Baby, 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 oh, that baby, 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 oh.
Next. Sorry.
Sorry, cause I'm missing more than just your body.
Mali! Wala sa tono!
Next word. Papa.
Da!
Johnny!
Tapusin mo yan!
5, 4, 3,
Pang eating sugar. Telling that no papa. Open your mouth. Next word. Ayan, tita, hindi ka na gano'n.
Sayo. Tagalog mo.
sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahumali.
Bawal, mali. Parang may
May
melody
ano,
yun eh.
Sayo yun. Sayo.
Next.
Si. Okay.
See you again. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Eh, mali.
Paano, bakit mali?
Wala lang. So, kaya kakain muna ka. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain. Tapos na kami mag-mukbang. Ngayon, i-announce natin kung sino ang winner.
And the winner is Faye! And Jovi!
Pinaka nanalo talaga si Jovi dahil sa kinain niya. So yeah guys, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure to like,
Share,
subscribe, and hit the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos.
Again, my name is Frances. I'm Faye.
And I'm Florida